Here I have the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This mascara I don't have on my eyelashes right now, but I'm gonna put them on right now for you so you can see how they do look. And I gotta tell you, I really love this mascara. It is gluten and cruelty-free, which is great. It really does keep the eyelashes separated. So here, I'm gonna put this on for you because I haven't put them on this morning. So you can see it's quite nice, quite separated. So just as a first pass, you can see that they look pretty nice there. You can see them. Okay, let them dry for just a moment here, and I'm gonna put a second layer on. I'd say you need about 2 to 3 coats of this for it to get like, so they actually look a little bit like thicker and you can see the darkness, and you actually do have that kind of like that false lash effect. This one I found had lasted all day when I had worn it. And one thing I like about this bottle is actually like it has a nice little grip here. As you can see, like this is actually like, it's textured right here. So this is actually really nice. Something that I've never actually had in a mascara. So for the price of this mascara, which I am super amazed by, this is actually a great, as you can see here, they're like really, so they're really like lifted up here right now. I don't really have like really, oh, I gotta fix my eyes, but anyways, I don't really have like really long lashes. So this actually gives me like a bit of a lift, and it actually shows that it gives me a little bit more definition to my eyes. So I'm gonna put that picture up here there for you now. And this is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Mascara Effect. I really do like this mascara. So something definitely worth trying out.